In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sections on Substack. Sections are a simple way to organize your newsletter into clear themes, like news, interviews, or tutorials, so readers can follow what interests them most. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new section, name it, present it well, and set it up for clean delivery in your subscribers' inboxes. Start on your Substack dashboard. From here, open the settings area. This is where you manage how your publication looks and behaves. Inside settings, find the option called sections. Think of this as the home base for all the distinct parts of your publication. If you're building a multi-topic newsletter or want to separate free and paid content streams, this is where that structure begins. Next, choose Add Section. You're creating a dedicated space that will have its own feed, its own email settings, and its own visual identity. Creating it now saves you time later and makes it easier for readers to navigate. You'll be prompted to add section artwork. This is optional, but it's powerful branding. Pick an image that reflects the theme, clean, recognizable, and readable at small sizes. A square or horizontal image usually works best. Keep file size reasonable so emails load quickly, and try to use consistent styling across sections to make your publication feel cohesive. Now, enter the section title. Aim for something specific and scannable. Short enough to fit neatly in subject lines, but descriptive enough that readers instantly know what they're getting. If you anticipate several sections, consider a naming pattern that keeps them aligned. Add a description next. This is your promise to the reader. In 1 or 2 tight sentences, explain what the section covers, who it's for, and how often you'll publish. Clear expectations reduce unsubscribes and help new readers choose what to follow. Avoid jargon. Focus on outcomes or the unique angle you bring. You'll also see an optional email sender name. This is the from name that appears in inboxes when you email from this section. Use something consistent and recognizable, often your publication name plus the section title. Keeping it stable over time helps with deliverability and trust. When everything looks right, click. Create section. That's it. The section is live. From now on, you can keep your content tidy by assigning new posts to this section during publishing. If you need to adjust the artwork, title, or description later, return to settings and fine-tune. With sections in place, your readers get a clearer, more personalized experience, and your publication becomes easier to grow and manage.